Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix TikTok camera lag. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow these steps as well. Now the first thing that you can do is open up your settings app and then tap on general. Now under general, tap on iPhone storage, and now once this loads, scroll down and then tap on TikTok. And once you're here, tap on upload app and then tap on upload app to begin the process. And what this does is it resets the app by clearing any glitches or bugs that is present in the app. And once this process is complete, instead of this upload app, you'll have an option that says reinstall app. Just tap on that reinstall app, and once that process is complete, your issue should be fixed. But if you still have the issue, then what you can do is just open up your TikTok app. Once you're inside here, tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, and once you're inside profile page, tap on the three horizontal bar on the top right corner of the screen, then tap on settings and privacy, and on the settings and privacy, scroll down and then tap on free up space option, then tap on clear between right beside the cache, and then do the same for downloads as well. And once you're here, close the app and then try again. And that's basically should fix the issue. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.